Hello learners, this is going to be a storytelling session and the story is corn. We all have a story and everyday communication is also about telling, listening and responding to stories. For teachers, a story is a great teaching resource because it captures the listener's fancy and provides an opportunity to children to enrich their language skills. When used in the classroom, storytelling goes beyond just simple narration and it involves children's participation in understanding the story and moving into the realm of creativity and knowing about the world around them. Before we begin our storytelling session, I would ask you teachers to ensure that you choose the story as per children's interest and level. And also ensure that children or learners stay engaged and interested in the story throughout. You must also see that the story text is made available to children in big fonts so that children can easily read. You may also write the story on a big chart paper and paste it on the wall. Of course, it has to be within their reach so that learners can make attempts to guess the story. Before coming to the written story, you may try to familiarize them with characters and what it could be about. Let us begin. Hello everyone, how are you all today?
Ma'am, hi, I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
Wow, you all look so happy and excited. Would you play a game with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Very easy game, fun game. You will do as I say. Okay? See, this is a small box, right?
Box.
If this is a small box, what is this?
Big box.
Smart of you. So when I say small box, you all will show me
Small box.
When I say big box, you all will show me
Big box.
shabash. So shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Small box, big box, small box, big box, small box, big box. I think this is easy. Let's make it difficult, right?
Yes.
If when I say small box, you all will show me,
Big box.
and when I say big box,
Small box.
you will show me small,
Small
box.
box.
So you will do an opposite action.
Yes, ma'am.
When I say big box, you all will show me small box. When I say small box, you all will show me big box.
box.
Shall we begin?
Yes,
Opposite action? Okay. Concentrate, huh? Hear me carefully. Small box. Big box. Big box. Big box. Small 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 box. Small box. Small box. Big box. You all did a great job. Let's clap for ourselves. Right, Shabbat. So today I have got a friend with me and I will introduce her to you. But before that, tell me, how many friends do you all have? How many friends do you have?
One.
Just one friend? He is your fast, bestest friend? How about you?
20.
20 friends she has. What about you?
1.
Ah, she has got one friend. How about you?
3. 5.
You're showing me 5 and you're saying 3. 3 or 5, how many? बताओ ना कितने? 3 के 5.
5.
Sure? Pakka? And how about you?
5.
Sure. Okay. Would you like to meet my friend?
Yes, ma'am.
You all have so many friends. He has one friend. She has 20 friends. I also have a friend and her name is Sujata. Please say hi to Sujata.
Hi, Sujata.
Nice to meet you all. Would you tell me your names? What's your name?
My name is Vyanshali.
What's your name?
My name is Vedanshi.
Wow, nice name. What's your name?
My name is Karinidhi.
What's your name?
My name is Satya Mishra.
What's your name?
My name is Ayan Rawat.
La 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 la. कितने अच्छे नाम है तुम लोगों के. Sujata lives with her grandparents and he is Sujata's grandpa. Who is a grandpa?
Dada.
Who is a grandpa?
Dada.
Dada or Nana.
Nana.
Yeah? Yes. And he is a farmer. He grows flowers, watermelon and corn. So there's a story which I am going to tell. And this story is about a thing and you will guess what that thing is. There's a song. लुक छुप जाना मकई का दाना राजा की बेटी आई है. लुक छुप जाना मकई का दाना राजा की बेटी आई है. What is this?
Corn.
Corn and
Corn cob.
shabash, shabash. This is a corn cob and when you peel these leaves off, you will see yellow, bright, nice corn. So this is a story about corn. Shall we start the story?
Yes,
Great.
ma'am.
This story is titled Corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Golden, yellow, tasty, healthy, nice corn. He is Sujata's grandpa. We just met him, right? Here he is not wearing a turban. But here in this picture he is wearing a blue turban. And he is driving a tractor. Yes. Grandpa brings home a tractor load of
Corn cob.
You are smart since you have seen this corn cob before. Yes, he is bringing home a tractor load of corn cobs. Grandpa roasts corn for Sujata. You see in this picture, Sujata is standing behind her grandpa and what is grandpa doing?
Roasted the corn.
Yeah, he is roasting the corns. And roasted means bhuna hua. Sujata likes to eat roasted corn. You see in this picture, she likes roasted yani bhuna hua corn. There is salt, there is lemon. She's gonna put it on her bhutta, on her corn cob, and when she take a bite, it will be tasty.
Chatpata.
Chatpata.
Spicy.
Yummy, spicy, kurkura, crunchy, and then gooey and soft. Nice. Grandma boils corn. वो उबाल रही हैं and see Sujata is playing with her grandma. She is hugging her from behind. Grandpa and grandma, they eat boiled corn. Why do you think they eat boiled corn?
उनके दांत बहुत कमजोर रहते हैं इसीलिए वो बॉइल्ड कॉर्न खाते हैं.
अच्छा, so grandpa grandma के दांत कमजोर हो जाते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
ओल्ड एज के.
ओल्ड एज के होते हैं तो उनके दांत कमजोर होते हैं.
वीक मैम.
Okay. How about your teeth? Show me. Huh?
I'm strong.
So your teeth are strong?
Yes, ma'am.
So I believe you like roasted corn because your teeth are strong. Sujata feeds boiled corn to the birds. Do you see these birds here?
Yes,
Sujata is feeding them, giving them boiled corns. And birds come to eat the corns. See, so many birds are here and they are here because Sujata is giving them corn and boiled corns. So in the story, we just read that Sujata, her grandpa and her grandma, three of them, they like to eat corn. Grandpa and grandma, they like boiled ubla hua corn. What about Sujata?
Roasted corn.
Yes, she likes roasted. And who else in this story likes to eat corn?
Birds.
Birds.
Perfect. And who feeds these birds? कौन इन्हें खाना
Sujata.
Shabash, you all have heard the story very well. Now, imagine, let's imagine if the grandpa did not bring corn cobs. He brought home flowers. What do you think Sujata would do with those flowers?
Necklace and bracelet.
So she will make a bracelet and a necklace. And
Perfume.
Ma'am,
Sujata can make a perfume.
Ma'am, food color.
Food color. Yes.
Ma'am, gajra.
Gajra बनाएगी और
Ma'am, gajra.
you also say gajra. How about can she make a rangoli?
Yes, ma'am.
And can she make a mala?
Yes, ma'am.
And,
Bracelet.
and a bracelet. Pretty bracelets. Lovely. Okay. Before I close this session, I have a riddle for all of you. Okay. Are you ready for the riddle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So riddle मायने पहेली, and the answer of this पहेली lies in the story. So hear me out carefully. तैयार हैं आप सब? Okay. Yes. हरी थी मन भरी थी, लाख मोती जड़ी थी. हरी थी मन भरी थी, लाख मोती जड़ी थी. राजा जी के बाग में दुशाला ओढ़े खड़ी थी. राजा जी के बाग में दुशाला ओढ़े
Corn
खड़ी.
cob.
Ma'am, corn cob.
Ma'am, corn cob.
Yes, corn cob. Corn cob is the right answer. Now, who would eat this corn cob?
Ma'am, me.
Okay, so we will roast it.
Yes.
We'll put some salt,
And lemon.
Yes.
we'll share it,
Yes.
and we'll all eat it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Coming to teachers. Reading should follow the writing activities. Children love to draw something about the story. You may ask them to draw what they have liked the most about the story. In the story Corn, they would like to draw, or they may like to draw, a corn cob, or some flowers, or Dadaji, Grandpa. You may support them in giving titles, captions, or some words to their drawings. This will ensure comprehension and that they have taken interest in the story. Hope you liked the session and hope you would take away the relevant learnings from this module. Thank you.